Hi, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to this explainer video on our nutrition intake form. A client intake is a routine process conducted prior to or upon a client's first visit with a practitioner. This is done in order to gather some basic information. Intake information will usually include a client's name, date of birth, and contact details, but it may also include any broad goals they have, either for the session or for their health in general. Our nutrition intake form is designed specifically for registered dietitians and registered dietitian nutritionists to gather information on their new clients. Let's run through this intake form now. The first section is for your client's information and contact details. Next is their emergency contact details, followed by their insurance information, details of any adjunctive care and their current physician, and finally a section for your client's main nutrition or health concerns and their goals for the session. To see what this nutrition intake form looks like when it's completed, just pause the screen here and take a look at our example nutrition intake form. To start using this nutrition intake form in your practice, the first step is to download a copy. You can access the PDF version of this template from the link on this page. It's up to you when you provide this intake form to your client, but we recommend sending it to your client prior to their first session. This way you can maximize the time spent in their session with you. Once your client has returned the completed intake form to you, the last step is to store the information securely. You can also find this template and many others from within Carepatron. Just click Templates from the menu on the left-hand side. Ensure you are filtering by Community Templates. Search by keyword. And select the template you would like to use by clicking Choose Template. You'll then be prompted to select the client you'd like to send this intake form to. And here it is. This can be completed from within Carepatron, and when it's done, hit Publish.